Let's see the question number 47. The difference between amylose and amylopectin is amylopectin have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 alpha linkage. Amylopectin have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 beta linkage. Third, amylose have 1 to 4 alpha linkage and 1 to 6 beta linkage. Fourth, amylose is made up of glucose and galactose. Firstly, in amylopectin, there are two linkages such as 1 to 6 glucosidic or 1 to 4 glucosidic. Amylose and amylopectin both are polymers of alpha D glucose, so beta link is not possible. So second and third will not be possible because beta link is there and there is no beta link, and fourth will also be not there because it is not made up of glucose and galactose. Amylose, so according to us answer should be first, but amylose is linear with 1 to 4 alpha linkage, whereas amylopectin is branched and has both 1 to 4. Amylopectin have both 1 to 4 and 1 to 6 alpha linkage. So our answer is first. Let's see in the next slide. Is this correct or not? Yes, this is correct. The answer is first, that is amylopectin has both 1 to 4 and 1 to 6 alpha linkage.